This is what you call a wife knowing your best interest. I ain't seen a 63, yo!
Today we were supposed to go to her apartment, so he thought that was the only reason I needed him to like take off work or at least take a half
They got
day.
all the good cars here.
But I had this plan since like 2 months ago.
Yo, they got all the good cars. I'm gonna show y'all.
And then I have a surprise for you next month.
Oh gosh. I'm gonna just show y'all the cars. This is just a small vlog. Took me to a car show, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all some of my favorite cars I see here. See
You being stubborn, didn't want to close your eyes.
No, I couldn't close my eyes now. I'm sorry. All right, so on my Pinterest board, I actually have this year of Camaros, a 69 Camaro SS. Yeah, like I said, if y'all follow me on Pinterest, I have a dream car garage, but look at these cars, bro. This is crazy. All right, so like I said, some of y'all don't follow me on Pinterest, but from what I can see, there is a GNX here. Grand National over here. We have an Acura NSX right here. Crazy, y'all, crazy. Pulling up right now, we have an old Malibu. Wild. Also another Malibu over here, a Challenger. See, I'll take an older Challenger too. This is a 2013 Dodge Challenger. A Flowmaster dual exhaust, 5.7 V8 Hemi. Is it a manual? It is. This is what we mean when we say in Kansas City we are diehard Chiefs fans. This is actually an expensive supercar that I've always wanted. On GTA 5, this is actually called the Jester. But this is an Acura NSX. Really nice car, really nice car. CST 10. Chevy Bel Air. These cars are nice. Look how clean they are. That is clean. It's gonna be me one day, y'all. It's gonna be me. And then this Shelby, 1965 Shelby Cobra with a Corvette sitting next to it. When it comes to Corvettes, that is the year I've always wanted. That one right there. That blue one. I think that's 2009 to be exact. Now y'all know when it comes to the lowriders, I'm gonna know about it. This is a 6'3" Impala. Sitting on some, shoot, 20s it looked like. Am I correct? Am I correct? Yep, 20s to be exact. 6'3". I like that color. Z28 Camaro. Follow my Pinterest, I'm telling y'all. But I ain't gonna lie, I'm trying to get to that baby over there, that GNX. These little Kia Stingers are actually nice, but this is what I wanted to look at. Y'all know me, the Buick GNX. All that, beautiful. Nice little turbo on it. Grand National. Oh, original. Got Star Wars in it. Look how clean this is, y'all. I'm a big car fan, if y'all don't know. Big car fan. Thank you. Thank you. Nice little Grand Prix. If you watched Rush Hour, then you know. This is the car that Chris Tucker was driving in Rush Hour. Stingray. Look at the Z. This is the 280ZX. And then there's a 300ZX. I'm going to that baby in a minute. But let's go look at the Chevelle. So this nice little Chevelle in Fast and Furious. Dominique Toretto drove one of these. Nice little Chevelle. Oh yeah, original. Okay. Can't y'all see? It's recording. This is what I want. This is a Nissan 300ZX. I'm pretty sure if it's the original one, it's a twin turbo. We're gonna go around and see. It actually is the original twin turbo. Only a few of them were made with the twin turbo, but it looked like he did a little bit of some exhaust work. One day. It's crazy. Where that Dodge Demon at? That's what I'm trying to see.
I think they're trying to find their win.
They better hurry up. I'm trying to see that. Y'all, I just got too excited. Somebody just pulled up with an R35 Godzilla. I'm about to go check that mug out. I'm going to check it out. Yep, the R35 twin turbo that somebody just pulled up with carbon fiber with a duckbill wing on it. Not bad, not bad, not bad. Got quads on it. This would be my supercar If y'all want to go find him, it's Just Joe. Make sure y'all tell him I sent y'all that way. But yeah, look at that. Oh, brake pad. If I had a supercar, this would be it. But y'all already know. That's what I really want. That's what I really want. Oh yeah. Yo, this was a surprise by her. I had no idea we was coming out here. Like, this is crazy. I didn't even know we had this many type of cars like this in Missouri, but we do. But I'm pretty sure they came from Missouri too. Let's be real. But Kansas, Missouri. Hey, y'all did it. Y'all doing it. Y'all doing it. Hey, y'all, make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned, because like I said, on this channel, we don't stick to one thing. We do a lot of things on this channel, so just stay tuned, because you never know what I'm going to upload and when I'm going to upload it. So, subscribe. Okay, so this is under the hood of the 300ZX V6 twin turbo. But it's nice. It's clean too. Sheesh. Alright, so they have more cars coming in, but I just wanted to see the Nissan 300ZX. I thank my wife. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hopefully this motivates me to try to make that YouTube money so I can buy me a Nissan 300ZX and pull up at these car shows. But I need y'all to subscribe and watch my videos all the way to the end. But other than that, make sure y'all have a great day, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace out.